kettle hums a quiet tune, steam curling in the afternoon. A quilt of clouds outside the pane, whispers falling with the rain. Fireside dreams, soft and slow, where the heart can wander, nowhere to go. Hold me close, don't let me stray. Let the world just melt away. Cup clinks, the room feels small. Shadows dance on the papered wall. Books unread, their spines leaning. Time folds softly, thick and thin. Every moment a golden thread ties us here where the words unsaid. Fireside dreams, soft and slow, where the heart can wander, nowhere to go. Hold me close, don't let me stray. Let the world just melt away. Candles flicker low and dim, echoes hum like a distant hymn. The clock it ticks, but not too loud. This is where we're safe, unbowed.